What's up, guys, and happy middle of December from super sunny Costa Rica. We're here in Playa Coco, which is a super local little beach town near the Gold Coast of Guanacaste province in Costa Rica. We're doing a tour today, but I really wanted to capture something quick, so I'm gonna show you some street food. I haven't found street food in Costa Rica yet, and it's here right now. So we're gonna find out what kind of street food you can get on a beach town in a local part of Costa Rica. Vamos, let's do it. Ok, más pollo. Salsita. Sí, con tortilla.
¿Cuántas quieres? ¿Dos tortillas o uno?
Ah, solo uno. Solo probar. Gracias. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, wow. Oh, that's delicious. I was not expecting for that to be that good. It's really like a creamy kind of sausage that kind of just melts in your mouth. The outside has that grilled kind of crunch. The tortilla has a nice little body, and the chili sauce really comes through. I actually think this is a little spicy chorizo as well. Chorizo is kind of like the lifeblood of these countries. Something cheap, something easy, something delicious, something fried and crispy. You really can't go wrong with chorizo in a country like this. And next time you're in Playa Coco, get yourself some chorizo. Many people come to these beaches because they're beautiful and because this is a place to come when you're international. There's lots of international beaches, but people forget local people also like to come to the beach and hang out. And so they make things that are, you know, a little bit cheaper, a little bit more like what normal people do and what normal people can afford, which I like. So if you're ever trying to find local food, that's the place to start. Don't go to the tourist centers. You definitely want to go to the local spots. Me gustaría solamente probar. Sí, una pequeña porción. Solo una pieza. Sí, está bien. Ok, y gracias. Ajá. Inteligente. Ah, perfecto. Un medio. Sí, está bien. Perfecto. Okay, it's perfecto. And next on the list, and I thought it was an empanada, but it was not, is chicharrones. So chicharrones are when you take the pig skin, you then cut it like completely off, you remove the fat, and then you basically deep fry it till it puffs up like a cracker. I like this beach because there's lots of action, lots of local people sitting, having fun, picnicking, playing basketball, skateboarding, eating, and everyone's brought their own music, which is epic as well. So here we go, we have the massive plate. You guys can't really see it well from here, but the important part of the fiesta here is the chicharron. So here you go. That's what a chicharron looks like. And here we've got the sauce. There's a really nice sauce in here. I'm just gonna give it a shot. Chicharron. Oh. Oh my God. That was my first chicharron here. I've had them in Mexico. They left a little bit of the meat on there, so we got meat, we got fat, we've got skin. Super crispy. Just listen to this. Oh my God. Easily one of the worst things you can eat for your health, but absolutely delicious. So now we're gonna try some of the yam. They do white yams here. They have a lot of different interesting starches. They do yams, they do plantains, always boiled and always kind of neutral flavor. Beautiful. And the pièce de résistance. It's interesting, the pickles they do are kind of like that. They do these really thin cucumbers, carrots, and then they do tomatoes, onions. It reminds me of something I've had in Italy called giardiniera, but it also reminds me of what they do in Mexico. But they're always spicy, they have a nice little kick to it. And instead of hot sauce in a lot of restaurants, they'll just give you some of this to put on your food. We're gonna go for one last big old bite of the chicharron. As I wrap up my time here in Costa Rica, I will say that Central American food is not that nuanced. There's not a lot of stuff going on. But what they do know how to do, rice and beans, chicharrones, grilled pork, grilled sausages, they do absolutely beautifully, and they nail it every time. The food here is absolutely delicious, super heavy, super satisfying. It's honestly one of the best eating countries if you actually don't like spicy food. Like, they don't really do so much spice. Of course you can get it, but if you like simple food done really well, it's hearty, it's carb loaded, and you want to feel good while you're at the beach, maybe have a little margarita or something with it, come to Costa Rica. It's definitely the place for you. We're gonna wrap it up now with one more sweet treat, and then we will see you guys in Mexico. We're going to southern part of Mexico, and I would love to show you the amazing food of this region. Let's eat some, let's find something sweet. Y copas la negra, ¿por qué la negra?
¿Por qué la negra?
¿Por qué la negra? ¿Por qué no? Okay, so we're having here, pero se llama una copo?
Copos.
Copos, no granizado, no, es diferente.
Es lo mismo.
Ah, es lo mismo.
Granizado y copos son lo mismo.
Okay, so we're getting copos, la negra, the black. She's got tamarindo and pineapple, tamarind and pineapple, the special. Dos leches, 2 milks, no milk. And then this one down here, I really like the artwork. Es como una pintura, es fantástico. Okay. Oh, that's cool.
Leche en polvo.
Ajá, leche en polvo.
Leche pinito.
Sí, okay. Chocolate, sí, chocolate. Es mi mejor día de mi vida.
Sí.
Sí.
Está bien, que lo aproveches.
Wow. All right, guys, we're at the end of this food adventure, and here we have a granizado, super crazy style. She put everything in there. We've got the cola syrup that we had the other time. We've got ice. We've got different 3 types of milk. We've got some cream. I don't want to explain it. I just want to eat it. I'm gonna take this out though. I don't even know. There's a marshmallow. How do you even eat this? All right. I don't know how to eat this. When you're here in Costa Rica, you just got to go as much sugar as you can possibly get in one serious time. So I think this is kind of a perfect ending to any Costa Rican food adventure, food experience. So we've mixed it up. We're gonna give it a shot. Oh my God. Wow.
Sweet
It's
thing.
super sweet. It's got that cola bubblegum flavor, chocolate, sweetened condensed milk, milk powder, super good. Cheers. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining me on my food adventures in Costa Rica. We'll be coming to you live from Mexico next week. That's it for me. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, super important. And we will see you the next time. Hasta luego, mi amigos. All right.
Good.
That's it. Thank you. Gracias, Juan.
One.
That's it.
Salud.
Salud.